What stock did you buy? Google. And how much did you buy it for? I don't know. What? Why do you not know? You look here when you want to check, right? Where? You see portfolio here on the upper left. You go here, and then there's price paid right here. So right now it's $1,161. You paid this amount, and the total gain is $121.77. You gain $121. Percentage-wise, how much is your total gain? 10.48%. So the stock price went up 10% already. It's rare for a stock to go up 10%. But because of COVID-19, the stock price fell and you bought it at that time. And let's say that the stock price is like this. The Google stock price went up like this. And then there is COVID-19. At that time, the price fell. And then the Google price gradually started returning. You bought the stock around this time. The price was $1,161. After this, the price will either go up or maybe go down. Oh, what will you do? I think it'll go this way. You think it'll go that way? But because of COVID-19, restaurants and people working in stores are losing their jobs. The economy is going to be impacted. You can't tell how this is all going to play out. If the economy doesn't do well, the stock price might fall. We say that the economy isn't doing well when people aren't able to work and earn money. The stock price is just returning, maybe temporarily. It might go down and you don't want it to go down, right? Yeah. So right now what we're going to do is place a stop limit. Stop limit is an order you place to sell a stock when the stock price reaches a specific price like this. So you bought it when it was $1,161, and right now it's $1,283. The price might go up or it might go down. If the price goes below the amount you pay for it, you'll be losing money. If you don't want to lose money, then set the stop limit here. If the price reaches here, your stock will automatically be sold. If you set it here, you'll never lose money. Oh, I see. You can place a stop limit anywhere. There's a chance that the price will go like this. You can place it here. You can place a stop limit here. Today, it's about where do you want to place a stop limit. From here to here, the increase was 10%. If you don't want to lose any money, then you should set the stop limit here. $1,161, which is the price you paid for the stock. There's also a transaction fee. What do you want to do? Do you want to round it off this time and set the limit at $1,170? Yeah. So that means if the stock does go down, the stock will be sold at this point, right here. So you click right here. It shows trade right here. And when you click on trade, you have the option to buy or sell. Let's buy. You don't have any money to buy. So you select sell. Okay. Choose sell and then, no, don't do it. We won't sell it yet. When we sell it, there's price type here. Here, you select stop limit on quote. Oh, I see. If you don't want to do it, we don't have to do it. There's also a thing called trailing stop. What's that? It's where you say you'll sell when a price drops a certain percentage. Now, it's $1,283. The stock price went up 10%. So you can make an order saying if the price goes down 5%, you want to sell it. For example, the price here is $1,283. Yes. 5% from here is about here. But let's say the price becomes $1,500. 5% from this point is about here. With trailing stop, if the stock price goes up, the selling point also goes up. The price is here, 5% is here. At this point, the 5% is here. I want to sell when the price drops 10%. That's fine. So you want to set the trailing stop at 10% today? That means if the stock doesn't go down more than 10%, the stock price will continue to go up. Let's set the trailing stop at 10%. Yes, so at 10%. Yes, that's correct. Stop value. And do you see duration right here? Can you click it? And you select 60 days here. That means that the trailing stop will be in effect for 60 days. So if it's within 60 days and the price drops 10%, your stock will be sold. But after 60 days, this trailing stop order will be gone. Within the next 60 days, you'll have to set this up again. In E-Trade, they only allow 60 days for this. Can you press preview? And then can you go down? And then can you hit accept? So that means if the stock price goes down 10% right now, your stock will be sold at a price of $1,154. But if the stock price goes up, it'll be okay. So you can just place the order. Right now, the price hasn't gone below 10%. It's not $1,154. It's $1,283 right now, right? So that means it won't be sold yet. We're able to do a trailing stop order. Did you get it? Yeah. So if a thing that's $1,000 goes down 10%, how much will it be sold for? 100? It'll be sold if it decreases by 100. 1,000 minus 100, 900? Yes. So the thing will be sold when the price becomes 900. So that's it for today.